Welcome back, everybody. We're back in the kitchen today for a very special birthday dinner. My daughter has requested our famous chocolate barbecue sauce ribs. I know what you're thinking. Chocolate and barbecue sauce just don't go together, but trust me, it does. The first time we had it, we were in Bruges, and of course Belgium is known for its chocolate, so we had to give it a shot. Absolutely mind-blowing. So I wanted to make sure to share our recipe with you all. I've already got the dry seasoning all mixed up together. Pretty much it's about a quarter cup of Hershey's chocolate powder, and then mixed in some onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, ground mustard, chili powder, some coriander, smoked paprika, and then some salt. So season it up however you need to and everything. Don't ask me about how much was in there, but get it salty enough and everything, not too overpowering with the chocolate. You'll be fine. What we're going to do next is we're going to remove this backside skin off of the ribs. I've got 3 racks of baby back ribs, and then we're going to coat it with some mustard. And then when we're done coating it with the mustard, we're going to coat it with dry seasoning, let it sit for about a half an hour, and we're going to toss it in the Instant Pot. Alright, so this next step is really important. You want to make sure to remove this backside skin off the bones. This will help tenderize it a little bit better. When you cook it up, it's not going to be as tough. So just get a knife, and you're going to hold down on the bones and just start to pull on that skin. Once you get a good start on it, one safe tip to do is grab a paper towel, keep a paper towel here, and grab hold of that. Then you can really grab on it, and that should just pull right all the way off. Nice, simple, and clean. Alright, so now that we've got all the skin removed from all of our ribs, we're going to go ahead and douse them down with some mustard. Just going to rub that in. This is just going to help tenderize that meat and also help that dry rub stick a little better. So get all that in there. And I'm just going to sprinkle some chocolate dry rub all over it. As you rub this in, it's going to come more like a paste, which is fine. You want to make sure that you get it all over everything. There you go. Flip that over. Do the same to the back side. Man, I can smell this right now. I like to do this on top of each other, so you get the top one. If anything spreads out, it goes down on the bottom. There you go. That's one rack. We're going to set that aside and let that marinate for a little bit. Alright. Instant Pot set up and ready to go. Got the raised trivet in there. Ribs are just about ready to put in there, so let's go ahead and get this started. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of liquid smoke there in the bottom. Give it that nice smoky flavor. Some apple cider vinegar. And we're going to pour some water on there. And if you want, you can also add in a splash of secret sauce, whichever flavor you prefer. Then we're going to go ahead and cut up These probably aren't going to fit all in there. Put up our ribs. And we're just going to stick them inside against the pot just like that. Hopefully we can get all 3 racks in there. You might have to squeeze them in there. And this is just going to make these ribs fall right off the bone. There we go. Look at that. 3 full racks all popped in there. I'm going to pop the lid on. And we're going to set it to manual. We're going to set it for 45 minutes. Alright, so while our ribs are in the Instant Pot cooking for the 45 minutes, we're going to go ahead and start the most important part, which is the chocolate barbecue sauce. So let me go ahead and show you all the ingredients that are inside of it. So inside the sauce, it's going to start with a simple, basic garlic and onion saute. I'm going to saute it up in some butter for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then we're going to add in some chocolate chips that are all crushed up, and then we'll add in our seasonings, and then also all of our liquid sauces in there. Don't worry about any of the ingredient amounts. I'll go ahead and post a description of all the ingredients there. Alright, we're going to start this sauce off on a medium to high heat. We've got 2 tablespoons of butter and our garlic and our onion, and we're just going to go ahead and saute this up for about 5 to 6 minutes. We're just going to get it nice and soft. Alright, so now that we've got all of our onions and garlic sauteed up nice and soft, smells amazing. It's time to add our crushed chocolate chips. Add all those in there. Just going to stir that around just a little bit. Get that to start melting. By chopping them up, it actually melts a lot faster. So you can throw in the whole ones. It'll take a little bit longer, but so now that it's getting all soft, I'm going to go ahead and add in all of our liquid seasoning, the ketchup, coffee, liquid smoke. We've got honey in there, Worcester, and apple cider vinegar. Give that a nice stir. Oh, that's good so far. Now let's go ahead and add in all of our dry seasonings. Put some brown sugar in there. And go ahead and mix this all around. And then we'll set this on simmer until the ribs are finished steaming in the Instant Pot. Alright, our ribs are finished steaming. I'm going to go ahead and pop those out. Oh, perfect. We've got our sauce ready to go onto our ribs there. And you have to carefully try and pull these out to where they don't fall apart, because they are extremely soft, which is perfect. That's what you're going for. Oh, come on. We'll make it hold together. Yeah. We got 3 on there. We could probably do another 3 on the other side. Just gonna go ahead and brush that on. Ooh, my glasses are fogging up. Man, that smells amazing. Oh man, that is gorgeous. Here, I want you to take a look at this. Check this out. Look at that. Ooh, that's looking good. Alright, let's get the other ones all rubbed down with the sauce, and we're going to toss it inside of the broiler for a few minutes and just nice and crisp on the top. Alright, there's 1 and 2. Broil those for a few minutes on high. Alright, so these ribs are all done. Got a nice little toasting to them. Pull those out. Let them rest for a little bit, cool down before you plate them up. Once you plate them up, oh man, it already reminds me of Bruges. But we didn't have to leave the house. In fact, we stayed home, stayed safe, until we get a chance to actually go. Keep on cooking.